This is absolutely unreal. This is beautiful.
We've boarded our cruise ship for the next 11 days, and our first port is in Reykjavik, Iceland, where we're exploring the town before the most amazing whale watching experience we could have ever imagined. We're lucky enough to witness 2 humpback whales signaling each other through breaches, pectoral fin slapping, and lobtailing. While it may seem like these whales are just playing around, this is actually one of the main ways that they communicate to each other. We'll cover more on this later.
One more!
But first, we're exploring downtown Reykjavik. Oh, and if you missed it in our last video, Amelia and I are engaged. Welcome to Living Large Camping. Good morning from day 2 here in Reykjavik. We just got off the ship. It is about 9:45 in the morning, and Amelia has found a nice city tour walk that's going to take us about 2 hours, which is a great way to start our day here. We do have whale watching this afternoon, so we only have a short period of time this morning. That way we can explore what we can before we have to get back on the boat to go towards our whale watching excursion. But for now, it's time to go check out the church that you can climb, Rainbow Row, and everything else you can see in this town. How was night number 1?
Honestly, it was a great sleep. The bed was better than the little tour that I showed you guys, so that's a good sign. Breakfast was great. No complaints. We woke up to a sunny blue sky day, which I think is pretty rare in Iceland, so we're off to a great start. We got dropped off this morning with the free shuttle at Harpa Hall, and then from there it's like a 17-minute walk to the church. But along the way we get to go through Rainbow Street, which is very famous here. So I think we're just checking everything off today. I love it. And then we get to see whales. We just walked on the famous Rainbow Street. We're still walking it right now, and it leads directly towards the church. So we're just quickly kind of browsing and walking through, going to the church first, and then we're gonna slowly make our way back, pop in some shops and see what we can find. I think one of our goals today is to maybe find a little puffin to bring back to Barkley. We just think it's cute, especially since we got to see them. It makes it even more special. And then honestly, that's kind of it for shopping around the town. I am very pleasantly surprised. We aren't very big city people, so whenever you're coming to a big city, you think, I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, and we enjoy it. It's very cute and charming, and it's very different from any city we've been to.
This area is definitely the more touristy side of Reykjavik, but I will say it's very clean. People are pretty friendly so far, and there's enough to do to spend a couple hours. So all in all, a better first impression than I was expecting, just because we didn't really know much coming into it, but after our first few minutes here, not a bad area. Our original plan was to head to the church and go all the way up the top of the tower because it has a great view of downtown Reykjavik, but the tower is closed today, unfortunately. The church itself is still beautiful, but we don't get the view of the town that we were wanting. So now we got to go change our plans a little bit and try to walk some of the neighborhoods, see some of the houses that are around here, and kind of get a feel for how people live in this area. That's where we were supposed to be able to go.
We're gonna pivot since we're not spending the time here climbing the tower. We are going to a street that I will put down here because I cannot pronounce, but it is one of the oldest shopping areas. And I read that women used to walk this street for their laundry to take to the hot springs here. So I thought it was kind of cool, a little bit of history, maybe a little bit of shopping. Why not?
Coming here, I didn't necessarily have in my brain what an Icelandic town was going to look like, but walking around this area here, I think that fits the very small idea that I had. All these little cottagey houses, they're all very colorful, which is funny because this place is gray most of the time, so maybe they get the color by what they can paint their house as. And it just seems like a cool area.
We took a detour again because we saw these colorful homes and we said, let's explore them. And it's very homey. I was trying to describe someone what this place was like, and I was kind of giving a little cottagey but also coastal. That's what I'm getting. I think it's really cute. I already can't wait to come back and spend more time here. Maybe rent a camper van and explore all of Iceland with you guys. But for now, we just get a little glimpse of Reykjavik.
We're done walking through the touristy areas and now we are headed towards a pond that we drove by yesterday. It was really pretty and the houses around it were just cute and very cottagey. So we're walking towards that area now. Hopefully it's as pretty as we remember it was yesterday, but either way, it'll be something a little bit different. Now, one of the main things that people do here in Reykjavik is get the famous hot dogs. To be honest, neither of us are really hot dog people, and we saw the lines yesterday, and it would have taken at least an hour to get a hot dog. We don't have that kind of time and really the desire to eat a hot dog right now. So we're gonna pass on that. But if you have had them here, please let us know in the comments if we're truly missing out. So when you fly into Reykjavik, you don't actually fly into the main town. You fly into Humpback, which is about an hour's bus ride south of Reykjavik. Now there is a small airport here, but it's a domestic airport, so only planes that fly to other parts of Iceland. But if you are flying here, just know that flying to Reykjavik does not mean you're actually getting into the main town.
We just got to the pond here, and walking around feels really nice to have the balance of nature and also city life. I think you could spend a few days here just in the city exploring like a local would with the food scene. If we had more time, Connor and I would love to go to the restaurants, but we don't, so unfortunately, too bad we have to come back. I don't know. I think we're having a really good time today just exploring everything they have to offer as quickly as possible, and then we get to come back and enjoy more of it. But yeah, I mean, the balance here is really nice. I think that's what I love. So you have mountains in the background, water, city, and it's a very, very walkable city. That's another thing we love. I recommend, like I've said before, check it out.
One thing we love about different countries is all of the really cool campers that they offer here. They're very unique. I mean, this is a fiberglass hard side pop-up camper. We don't have anything like that that I know of in the States. All of the vans and stuff seem to have really cool layouts, but it is a very, very camper focused area. I mean, any place you can rent a car, you can also rent a van of any size. I don't know what the camping situation is like. I think a lot of it end up being just like big parking lots that you pay for, but you're in cool areas. And either way, being in a van in Iceland is definitely something that we're gonna have to do someday. I lied. We turned the corner, the hot dog stand didn't have that bad of a line like it was yesterday. We're gonna try one.
To everything. Bottle of water.
Tuck.
So fast.
So quick.
Dropped an onion.
Did I?
Let's see it.
Alright.
There's the dog.
Oh, on a bed of onions too.
Can I try the...
Yeah, you wanna try it?
All right, moment of truth.
Let's see what we got here. There's a lot going on. Walked up there, one hot dog, everything on it, onions, 3 different sauces. I don't know what else. But for $6, I think, I'd say it's worth it if the line's not very long. So I'm a few bites in and tastes about what you would expect. I mean, it's a hot dog with a lot of different sauces on it. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna wake up and crave it tomorrow, but I will say I'm glad we tried it. So if you did comment already, thanks.
We are about to get on the boat because we need to go change for our whale watching excursion. So we'll pick you guys back up in
About an hour.
an hour. Yay!
It was a really quick turnaround having to get changed and packed up for our whale watching, but we're off the boat now and headed towards our little boat.
We came prepared. We have rain jackets, some layers, as well as some rain pants because they said you can get pretty wet. We'll see. A lot of people here are wearing jeans. I don't know. I just hope we're well prepared for this. I feel like we're going snowmobiling. Oh, we want to see whales! They gave us some suits to put on because they said it gets pretty cold, some gloves and goggles. I'm so excited. Of course, I'm not going to leave my hair down. She's going to go up for the boat ride, but I could look good for a minute. We don't know anything about what's going on. We were just put on these really cute suits. And that's about it. Showing up, hopefully to see some whales. Here we go. Nice fit.
Honestly, just the look I was going for today.
Looks like we're going to see some whales.
I hope so.
This is so exciting.
Look at those. Those are like,
Oh,
you're riding a horse.
Looks like you're riding a horse.
Seats are a little squishy.
Do you feel like these are the seats?
I think these are the seats. Yeah, these are the good ones. Hammer down.
Here we go.
Getting out in the waves. Honestly, the suspension seats are a great upgrade.
Yeah, I don't feel anything, which I'm actually surprised. I was expecting to be like, woo-hoo, but no, you don't even feel a thing. It's great.
And if you guys look at the rock, it's our 11 o'clock, there's a rock.
Okay, good news. There are so many boats here, and there are whales breaching and a ton just to see. So let's hope we get some really good shots. Yay! Okay, just breached. That was so cool. Wow. Again! Oh! Oh! I'm going. This is so cool. Oh my god. This is everything I imagined.
Of course, the one that stands out are the jumps, which are known as bridges. Because for you to jump, you fin, it's like the arms of the whale, and to be able. Yep, more bridges.
I'm literally having the best time. I only expected to maybe see like one whale, maybe one maybe one breach, but this is just, I feel like I won the lottery. This is absolutely unreal. This is beautiful.
And back slap. Other way that humpback whales do to communicate with each other.
And I
And already going on for a dive. Action of the wheel. It goes on in slow motion.
Yeah.
The largest one of Alright, so we've seen both tails.
Oh my god. Well, sadly, we had to say bye to the whales, but I'm getting soaked on the way in, and that's okay. So worth it.
It's really one of your best looks.
I agree. Truly, truly a good look.